Light, the hardware startup known for stripped-down, distraction-free mobile devices, has announced the next product, the Light Flip. The new device adopts a classic clamshell form factor while retaining the company's core philosophy of intentional minimalistic technology. It has 2.8-inch OLED display with a matte finish, 480 into 640 pixel resolution. It comes in 6 colors: black, navy, red, pink, yellow, and light gray. It includes lanyard loop for attaching accessories for audio and charging. It has 3.5mm headphone jack, stereo speakers, USB-C 2.0 port, powered by user replaceable 1800 mAh battery, weighing 160 grams and carry IP54 dust and water rating. It comes with MediaTek MT8873 octa-core processor paired with 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, supporting 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0. It has dual SIM functionality with physical nano SIM slot and an eSIM. For photography, there's a 50 megapixel rear camera that captures 12 megapixel images with integrated flash. It runs LightOS, a custom interface that excludes web browsers and social media. It provides a specific set of utilities such as alarm, calculator, calendar, directory, direction, hotspot, music player, notes, podcast player, weather, a timer, and 2FA authenticator. Communication relies on voice calls, audio messages, and texting via predictive T9 or voice to text. They will introduce a developer program to allow community-built open source tools to be used in the operating system. It costs $299 for the unlocked model. The company is offering a device through its own service plan starting at $39 a month on a 2-year contract for 1GB of data and unlimited talk and text, or $69 a month for unlimited plan. Pre-orders are currently open. The company says shipping will begin in 4 batches beginning from early April 2027.